Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you my Amazon haul. So these are all the products which I got. So I got a couple of products from Amazon. So I ordered this product when the sale was going on, like independent sale was going on Amazon, and also I ordered some product before the sale. So I'll be sharing with you all the products which I got from Amazon, and also I will link all the products in the description box below if you want to buy something from there. And also I will mention all the discounted prices as well as the actual price of the product on the screen itself. And also I'm like really excited to show you one product that I got. So yeah, let's see what all I got, and yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So yeah, I've like removed all the products from the boxes because I don't want to waste your time like really unboxing it, because I've seen all the products. So yeah, I will show you one by one. So the first product that I got is this VLCC face wash. It is their Alpine Mint and Tea Tree face wash. So it is written that it is gentle refreshing face wash. It removes excess oil for acne free skin. So I finished with one bottle of this face wash, so that's why I ordered another one, and it is like really huge if you can see. So it is of 175 ml face wash, and I really liked it. It's like my most favorite face wash and my go-to face wash it is, and it really refreshes your skin. So I really liked it, and I guess on discount I got it in really much less price, which was really affordable. So yeah, I really liked it. Moving on to the next product that I ordered is this eyelash curler. So it is from the brand called Goob USA. I guess I'm spelling it right, like Goob USA, be beautiful inside out. It is written over here. So I ordered this one in rose gold color. It has like black color as well, but I ordered this one, and just look at it guys, it is so beautiful. Like this color is so beautiful, and it is very handy, and it does not look cheap anyways. It looks very nice and classy, and it also has this silicone pad in between. So yeah, I really like this product. So yeah, moving on to the next product which I ordered is this Vega 3-in-1 hair styler. So it comes with 2-year warranty, which is really nice, and it also has button to switch to any style. So the best part about this Vega 3-in-1 hair styler is like it comes with crimper, curler and also straightener, which is really good, and it is very affordable. Like you are getting 3 things into one in just 1700 rupees, which is a great deal. And also like I got a nice discount on this one on Amazon, and if you see like now also it will be having some kind of discount on this as well, which is really nice. So this is how it is looking. Here it is written Vega. So yeah, I really liked it. Like it has the ceramic plates as well, which will protect your hair from getting damaged. So yeah, it is really nice, and it also has this wire which rotates 360 degree, so there is no chances of tangling. So if you see, here is the straightener, and here is the curler part, and here it comes with the crimping iron. So this is really nice, so I liked it a lot. So the next product that I ordered are this Biotic products. Like there are 2 products, so I will start with this one. So this is Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Mountain E Botany Vitalizing Serum for Falling Hair. So this is how it looks. Like it smells like heaven, like it smells so good. So I ordered this one for my mama and papa. So I don't know how it works till now because I have not used it that much. So I've just used it once or twice I guess from the time it has arrived. So although it is a serum, but it is very like watery in consistency. If you see this, like wait, I will show you. Like this is like very watery in consistency, and it gets absorbed also very nicely in your scalp. So I washed my hair that day, and then I applied it on my dried scalp, and trust me guys, from that time I have not even washed my hair, and whatsoever, it has not made my hair greasy. but I don't know about how it works for hair fall, because for that I need to use it for couple of days or couple of months to see the result for this one. So yeah, I will keep you updated on my Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram as well if you are not following me already. But so far I liked it. I liked its fragrance. It is very nice and very calming. And on the other hand, this Biotique product right here, like it is their Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters. It suits for normal to oily skin. So first of all, it smells pathetic. Like if you are someone who like sensitive to smell, so I will just tell you that stay away from this one. It has very strong smell of like acetone or something very weird. But about the toner thing, it is nice. I've used it like 2-3 times and it is nice. It is a decent toner. So if you are someone who is just looking for a decent toner, so you can go for this one. But I didn't like it because its smell is really strong, which I can't bear. So yeah, so the next product that I'm really excited to show you all is this box. So I ordered a ring light, like a proper ring light for me. So this is how it looks. So let's open it. So these are all the things which I got with this. So first let's see this one. So this is the ring light, and this also comes with this control button, you can see here, and also this connector. Then it also has this mobile holder which you need to attach it over here like this, and then you need to put your phone in this phone stand. So trust me guys, this phone stand is also really nice and very sturdy. It is not the regular phone stand which you get with your tripod and everything. It is really nice and your phone will fit in really nicely in this one. So yeah, and also it has this connector. Let me show you. So it also has this connector which you can use it to connect with your tripod and keep it like this so that it stays in place. So yeah, I really liked it. So let's on this and see how it looks. So I have my power bank over here. So I will just connect it and I will just on this using this. So let's see. Oh my god, can you see guys? It looks so nice. And you can also change the colors. See? It is looking so pretty. So yeah, I really liked it. So yeah, I got it for my YouTube videos, for shooting my YouTube videos, because previously I just had a small ring light that you attach on your phone. So I wanted to get this one, big one. So yeah, that's why I got it. So I got it only for around 550 or 600 rupees in limited lightning deal from Amazon. So yeah, I really like this product. So yeah. So moving on to the last product which I ordered from Amazon is this. This is their oxidized choker which I got, and I really wanted this type of choker from a really long time. Like I wanted a oxidized choker, but all the time I used to go street shopping, so I find that coin wala choker, but that was like really common for me. So yeah, I didn't got that. So I found one on Amazon. So this is how it is looking. So I've never ordered like a jewelry thing from Amazon because I don't know how the quality is. So this is the first time that I ordered some jewelry kind of thing from Amazon, and look at this guys, like iska quality is so good, so nice. Iska quality is very good and I really liked it. and the threads are also not coming out like this. So yeah, so it will really look good with Indo-Western clothes, or also white kurti and this choker will look bomb. So let's see how it looks. So I will just show you. See how it looks. It looks so good, so good. Like I really liked it a lot. It looks very nice, and this black thread detailing is also looking very good. Like I'm in total love with this. So yeah, I liked it a lot. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you all liked this videos. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So I'll see you next video. Till then, bye.